Hello guys. So today we are gonna be doing a car thing like other people do. So let's start with this ambulance. Let's start with the ambulance. So let me get it here. There's ambulance. And this can open, I think. And this will open also. This opens. The back door's open. The back door's open. Like this and that. And then we'll close those. And then put it back. And then moving on over here, we have a truck, and it's a Raptor, and the door's open on this. It has a sunroof. The door's open, and the back of the truck actually opens too. So yeah, that's cool. And let's move on to the next one. So next is a undercover cop car. You can see it says police. It's an undercover cop car. And the door's open on here. And you can see inside. You can see the steering wheel. You see that? Yeah, it's really cool in there. You can see there. Yeah. Okay, moving on to the next coolest thing. Okay, so next one is this garbage truck. So this garbage truck actually is really cool. So this actually comes with a dumpster. It's right over here behind this Bluebird bus. It's right here. I'm gonna grab it and then I'll show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. Okay. Hold on, let me find a place to set up my camera. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I think I found the perfect one to hold my camera. So how this works is the garbage truck comes over here. The garbage truck comes over here, grabs it, and then it picks it up like this, and then once it gets to the top, it's gonna start going back more, and then it's gonna go like this, boom, boom, and then it goes up, and then they do it again just in case if there's more garbage in there. And then it goes down, and then it just lets it off. But I'm gonna keep it up like this because I have something really, really awesome to show you. So look, the engine actually opens. Look, watch. Isn't that cool? And then you can see like the little spinny thing to start the engine, and you can see the red wires and stuff and the blue wires. Oh, and don't worry, there's one more thing on this truck. So This actually has a back that opens. Let me open it. See? And then you dump the garbage out once you're done. Okay, moving on to the next. I'm gonna put this down here. Hold on. There. Okay, now moving on. Next we have a so next we have a Bluebird bus. The stop sign broke off of here. And the doors open. It's just, they're kind of broken also. It says school bus right there. And school bus on the back with the warning lights and the red lights. And then it has a rear opening door. Like that. And then you close it. And yeah, so I'm going to put this one back. Okay. Next one is this one. It's a bank bus. It's a Bluebird. It's a bank bus. And you put coins in it and stuff. Here's the back of the bus. Here is the side of the bus with the doors. There's the front. And then here's the coin hole. And then on the bottom, once you have lots of coins in there, you can open this. See? And then you could see my finger going through there. You could put coins in there. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this of my cars, and bye.